If you're investing in 2026 and safety is your number one priority, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 safest Canadian financial stocks, companies with fortress balance sheets, decades of dividends, and strong regulatory protection. In other words, these are the stocks you can hold through recessions, rate cuts, market panic, and sleep just fine at night. So let's get right into it. 1 Royal Bank of Canada, ticker or Y, the safest of the safe. Royal Bank isn't just Canada's largest bank. It's one of the most stable financial institutions in the world. Why it's so safe? Massive size and diversification. Retail banking, capital markets, wealth management, insurance, multiple revenue streams. Fortress Capital, ERY, consistently maintains one of the strongest CET1 ratios among Canadian banks. Rock-solid dividend history, never missed a dividend since the 1800s, even during world wars, recessions, and the 2008 financial crisis. What makes RBC special? RBC has 2 competitive advantages. Scale, giving it the lowest funding costs in Canada. Wealth management growth, a segment that keeps earnings stable even when loan growth slows. Risks to watch. Slower capital markets activity can reduce trading and investment banking revenue. Mortgage growth could soften in a cooling housing market. Why it's a top safety pick? This is the bluest of blue chips. If your goal is stability, dividends, and long-term confidence, Royal Bank is the first name on the list. 2 Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker TD. The retail banking fortress. TD is known for being the most conservative of the Big Six. It's the closest thing Canada has to a safety-first retail bank. Why TD is considered ultra-safe? Huge North American retail footprint, Canada plus massive U.S. presence, highly stable earnings. Retail banking is predictable and resilient, strong liquidity and capital management, one of TD's biggest strengths. Its secret weapon, U.S. growth. TD earns a large portion of profits from the United States. That means diversified economic exposure, reduced dependence on Canadian mortgage markets, wider customer base. Risks to watch. U.S. consumer credit cycle, credit cards, loans, delinquencies. Any regulatory penalties or compliance issues in the U.S. Why it makes the list. If you want the safest retail-focused bank with steady dividends and North American growth, TD is the one. 3 Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker BNS. International but still built like a tank. Scotiabank is another Big Six giant, but with a twist. It's more internationally diversified. Why it's still very safe. Massive, stable Canadian retail banking base. 130-plus years of uninterrupted dividends. Deep wealth management and commercial banking operations. International exposure, a double-edged sword. BNS has meaningful presence in Mexico, Peru, Chile, Colombia. These regions, known as the Pacific Alliance, have higher growth potential than Canada. Benefits: faster long-term economic growth, younger, expanding populations, higher banking penetration potential. Risks: emerging market volatility, political and currency risks. Why it stays in the safe category. Despite the international risk, the Canadian operations are so massive and so solid that the overall business remains very safe, and this bank's dividend consistency is nearly unmatched in Canada. 4 Intact Financial, ticker IFC. Canada's most reliable insurance company. If you want a safe financial stock without bank exposure, Intact Financial is your best choice. Why Intact is incredibly safe? Largest property and casualty insurer in Canada. Consistently profitable underwriting, something many insurers struggle with. Stable, recurring premium income. Unlike banks, insurers don't rely on loan growth or net interest margins. Their income comes from insurance premiums, investment income, underwriting profits. This makes them extremely defensive during recessions. Unique strengths, exceptional management, smart acquisitions, the best combined ratios in the Canadian insurance industry. Risks, catastrophic events, storms, floods, can impact claims. Investment portfolio tied to bond yields. Why it's a top safety pick. Intact is consistent, conservative, and steady, the perfect recession-friendly financial stock. 5 National Bank of Canada, ticker NA. Smallest Big Six bank, but one of the highest quality. Don't let its size fool you. National Bank is often the best-run bank in Canada based on returns and efficiency. Why National Bank is so safe. Exceptionally strong ROE, often number 1 among the Big Six. Dominant market share in Quebec. Conservative risk culture and excellent credit performance. Modern, efficient operations compared to legacy banks. Strengths. Very stable customer base. Highly profitable wealth management business. Strong capital ratios. Risks. More concentrated economically in Quebec. Smaller size means less geographic diversification. Why it earned a spot. Its financial quality is so strong that even with less scale, National Bank is considered one of Canada's safest banking franchises. Why these 5 made the safety list. These institutions have stable earnings across economic cycles, strong capital reserves, decades of dividend reliability, prudent risk management, systemic importance to Canada's financial stability. If your goal is to build a steady, lower-risk Canadian financial portfolio, these are the core 5 to consider. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Which financial stock do you think is the safest in Canada? And if you want a follow-up video on dividend yields, analyst price targets, which of these stocks I think will outperform in 2026? Just comment part 2 and I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your money.